What's up, YouTube? We are at the Aycock Park here in Middleton, and we walk here from time to time some mornings. We brought the comforts of our home with us as we walk. Yes, we bring Peppa Pig, and our baby's eating food now, so we bring these in case she gets agitated or anything. We can just feed her that. I'm losing my weight, y'all. Y'all say hey. Hey, YouTube.
It's time to go to playgroup. Oh, we've only just started. Daddy, I'd ask you to the playgroup, Daddy. Good idea. We can do with the exercise. Hooray!
This is the church behind us. It's massive. Yeah, I've been doing my eyebrows myself since the corona. I got them done like one time. But the rest, like, I go to Bombay Salon in Germantown. And then I tweeze the rest, like when they grow back. This is a family-friendly, pet-friendly park. I think it rains. I look so wet out here.
That's why I was kind of hesitant on going downtown.
Yeah, we usually go walk from Bass Pro to what's the name of the park?
Tom Lee Park.
Tom Lee Park.
But folks will call it Riverside Drive, River or something, whatever. Google it, you will find it.
Tom Lee Park. I also braided my hair myself. It didn't come out like I thought it was gonna come out. I was trying to do some big puff braids. I got big puff braids. But I got more braids in my head than I wanted. I didn't make my parts big enough like I wanted it. I should have looked at a picture, but I didn't. I'm better at it than I thought I would be. I might post a picture in the comments. I might, if I can. I haven't walked in like over 10 days. I want to run, but
Go on and run.
I know my chest ain't gonna be able to handle it. We just had Slim Jims and Fagos.
Well.
They got walnuts out here. I do not know what tree is a walnut tree, but I just seen some on the ground. They got deers out here. Seen them jumping through the fields.
Might do me some old DIY videos today, y'all, depending on how this weather looks. I got some I want to try out. I just got to see how it's going to come out. But if I don't like it, I'll just take it right back off. But some more DIY videos coming maybe today or tomorrow, give or take, depending on how this weather is. If the weather hold up and it look like this, I think I'm going to just go on and just do it. I was going to wash the cars today, but we'll do that tomorrow.
Yeah, depending on the weather again, huh?
Yeah.
I don't know if it's gonna rain again tomorrow. Gotta check the weather app. We must killed a lot of that grass back there. I never seen it that like that, like bare like that.
Season change. Leaves dying. They're finna go away, so you're finna see everything.
think I want to go back to working out at the gym.
Not doing Corona.
That's right. I don't want no Corona. Can't bring home Corona. They don't kick me out the house. That felt like it from the tree.
Like it just came down. I got a.
I really didn't want to get 5 laps in, but okay. Car ain't that far.
It's a straight shot.
Baby Denidria. Denidria. She ain't listening to you, Peppa Pig, y'all. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's
Right
right.
here.
This isn't a bedroom,
I
Daddy.
had got it put on the phone.
I know it hit my arm.
Yeah. Well, maybe no DIY video today, y'all.
Probably tomorrow, depending on the.
Weather. But I
I
don't
was
know.
gonna say rain, y'all.
It might just,
The weather. The weather. Weather.
might just because it's out here in Millenton. But go to North Memphis, it ain't even looking like this.
I did see the sun coming out, but
Yeah.
I guess it went away.
I saw it
Clouds
earlier,
came
too.
and took over. Look, y'all, this is so pretty. One of the reasons why I come out here is like field right here. That's where the deers are. That's where the deers are. Yeah, I really don't wear makeup at all. Got some mascara on. That's about it. A vino and let's go. A vino and let's go. That's what I have on. Uh-oh. Looking. She's looking. What Pepper? Y'all, she get mad when the ads come on. She gets mad when the ads come on. Might see us playing on, like he said, depending on the weather. Might be tomorrow. Gotta let that paint dry. So, if you enjoyed this video, and you want to see more of Goo and Danny Girl and Baby Denidria from time to time, go subscribe. Hit that like button. Comment.
Add our Facebook page, same name as this one.
Goo and Danny Girl. And our email at google.com. Love y'all. Thank you for watching.